The boss of a company involved in February's deadly explosion in Tuas had operated a machine based on flawed assumptions and not proper measurements of pressure and temperature to ensure safety. That was what an inquiry into the incident heard as Chua Xing, the director of Stars Engineering, took to the stand for a second day. Ying with more.
A house of cards made out of assumptions. That was how lawyers characterized the way company director Chua Xing operated and maintained a mixer machine plagued by oil leaks and fire. All those mistaken premises came tumbling down as 3 workers died in a blast earlier this year. Chua was back in court for cross-examinations on the 5th day of the inquiry. State Counsel Tan questioned him on why he did not take steps to monitor the pressure inside the mixer after he decided to cap the backpipe of the machine to prevent oil from evaporating. His actions amounted to creating a closed system which could have built up pressure internally. Chua tried to reason that he thought the machine had an inbuilt function to keep temperature at the oil jacket between 70 degrees to 160 degrees. And if temperature was in that range, pressure would not increase. But the lawyer pointed out his reasoning was flawed because he never measured the temperature at the oil jacket. Chua also stressed that the machine did not come with a pressure gauge and the machine did not show any signs of bulging or deformation that would have prompted checks. But State Counsel Tan pointed out that by the time those signs appeared, it would have been too late. Chua eventually conceded that it was his responsibility to monitor pressure inside the machine to ensure it's operating within safe limits set by the manufacturer. State Counsel Tan also sought to establish that Chua had expected workers to continue with production despite knowing that there could be risks of another fire after one that took place at the machine on the 12th of February. She referred to instructions that Chua gave his foreman to wear fire-retardant clothing while using the mixer as evidence. But he denied this, saying that he just wanted to put his workers' mind at ease. The State Counsel also made the point that on the day of the explosion, Chua did not give clear instructions for his workers to stop production after a fire. In doing so, he put pressure on them to forge ahead, as they would have been expected to meet production targets despite the circumstances. Chua disagreed with the assertion. The cross-examination is expected to continue next Monday.